Welcome to Samoa Air Flight 279 from Apia to Auckland City. My name is Tala and I'm your flight service manager for tonight. And in the front half we have Fai, who will be servicing the front, and I will be here organizing everything important and also making the announcements.
Yes, because she can't fit down the aisle.
Never gets old, you know, getting out there and performing in front of people. It never gets old. It's 11 years, but every time it feels like the first time.
Excuse me, yes I can. It's just that I just don't feel like it. What I do feel like doing is punching your face. But what good would that do when it already looked like it's been punched?
The whole thing about the show is it's a brand new show. You definitely have a really good laugh. You also maybe get a bit of a short lesson on what life is like as a Samoan. And especially for those who may be thinking about marrying a Samoan, it might not work out too well for them.
I know more about the Bible than you do. Yeah, you know what? I think I'm gonna help you.
Okay, if you think you're so clever,
Yeah?
what's the first book in the Bible?
What, the Samoan one or the English one?
Because, you know, in every show we try and come up with something really fresh and new. And we thought Tala, as a roving reporter, she would be fantastic.
So you have spoken to the police and you've spoken to the young man.
Yeah.
The young man denies he was the driver. Who do you believe in this case?
Well, I've heard the police, they've given me their version. And the Samoan man, he's given me his number. But yes, I've heard both sides of the story, and from where I'm standing now, I can see the car, and I truly believe it that the police, they are parking up the wrong train.
I guess for us it's success breeds success. We've been able to afford to do it because people have really enjoyed it. And we've really enjoyed working with each other, so it's not a job. A job is when you have to work hard. This is easy for us.
How did Cain and Abel get their name then?
Well, when Abel was born, the first son, they named him Abel because that was the fruit that Eve gave Adam. Yeah, the apple.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And because they didn't plan the second baby,
Yeah.
when the second son was born,
Yeah.
Adam got like a real shock.
Yeah.
And he was like, not a Cain.
It's not just the RE team, it's good for the young ones. You know, it's good family event as well.
They tell everybody's life story. It either happened to you or it's happened to someone that you know.
Came all the way over here from Hawaii just to watch it.
Without the fans, we wouldn't be here, eh? We'd just be telling each other jokes, and that's not very funny after a while.
We just love performing. We don't realise what sort of impact that has on the people until we actually meet them. So it's always nice to meet the fans.
Now, starting at the bottom of the North Island in Wellington, known for its windy city, you have gusts of 110 kilometers an hour. So this is a warning for all the Palangi, Asian and Indian people. Please stay inside. But for all the Pacific Island people, just carry on as normal. There is no wind in this world that will make you fly away.